Well, hello there and welcome back to Poshcats Camping. I'm Trevor and I'm in my study, a rather untidy study. It's really quite a small little room here in the front of the house, in the front corner of the house. Got the blinds closed and trying to keep warm. A cold day today. What is it, about the 20th of January or something like that. Christmas is all forgotten about and well, Burns night is approaching. And we're just planning another break. Got a weekend away this coming weekend, so I'm just doing one or two bits of paperwork in the office here and thought I'd show you one or two of the little things that have come through the post. Really quite pleased that we've started doing a few sticker swaps, and here we go, I'll show you what we've got. Well, just here I've got the new stickers, Poshcats Camping. And some of you may remember the old picture. This is the drawing that Kev did for me first of all, and Kev wasn't happy with that one, so he did the new one. It's clearer. I like both, but I do like the new one. And whilst I'm waiting for a live stream to start on all my screens here, I'm going to show you this fella here. Urban Stealth Campervan Man. You might recognise him. Well, he does a bit of art in his free time, and he'll tell you that he's got plenty of that. But here, look at this. These are the two paintings or drawings that Brett very kindly sold to me and treated myself for Christmas. Some reflection there, you can see me in there, but they are pretty impressive, and if I come back you'll see there in the corner of my study here, my very untidy study. Thank you very much, Brett. I'm enjoying them. Well, good morning, it's Thursday now, and we're just taking the granddaughters to school, and I'm just going to move the van, give it a bit of a clean. Not going to go too mad, but give it a clean because it's going to get filthy on the way to Peterborough on Friday, tomorrow. So, I've got a few questions to answer. Well, the sun's come out and I feel better already. Well, question number one is, if you could change or add one thing on your rig, what would it be? And I can speak for Sue and myself on this one. I'll take you through to the washroom in the back, through this little door, and that's the thing we change. The little sink. I've got a soap dispenser in there at the moment, but that's just a tiny bit small. If it was a curve out here a little bit more, you could at least get your chin in there and wash your face. Question 2. What something didn't I expect when I got my motorhome? Well, I didn't expect it would be quite so easy to set up and pack up. Question number 3. What was the deciding factor to buy your motorhome? Well, the deciding factor was it was the right layout, it was what we'd been looking for, and it was the right price. Question number 4. What's your favourite meal to cook in the motorhome? Well, we like it when we can cook outdoors, and when it's nice weather and we've got Joe with us. He is amazing on the Kadak. And the other meal that we like wintertime particularly in the motorhome, is a tuna fish pie. And question number 5, what's your must-see destination in your motorhome? And I think that's the must-see is probably the remote places. We've been to some amazing remote places. Up in Scotland, for example, we were on the beach in Staffin a year last November, and can't get much more remote than that. We were the only one in miles, so that's, I think, the must-see. And we've got a burning desire to head up into Scandinavia and Switzerland and across Europe with the motorhome in the not too distant future. Question number 6, what's the favourite thing about motorhoming? My favourite thing is about the number of holidays, a number of trips that you can fit into 1 year. We slept in this van 80 nights in 2019. Number 7, what's your least favourite thing about RVing? Other motorists, those in cars that feel that they just need to be in front of you. Same goes for caravanning really, but it's quite surprising how nippy these vans are. They can keep up with the traffic, and we usually leave a bit of space in between us and the vehicle in front, because it does take a little bit longer to stop, but invariably a car will nip in that gap. So that's the least enjoyable thing I think about RVing or driving a motorhome. So question 8 is, what are the must-haves on your next RV? Well, assuming we do have another RV, we are thinking along them lines, although we're very happy with this one at the moment. We'll keep this for a bit longer. I think we would have to have a bathroom. We like to have the convenience of having our washroom with a shower and a toilet in it, and you know, nice size sink. It's nice having that, even if it's halfway down the van and it's a wet room. I think for us that's a must-have. Question number 9, what's your favourite beverage? Well, you've seen that we've got a Tassimo coffee maker. I do like a nice hot cup of coffee when we're out in the motorhome. I am a bit of a sucker for green tea. I do like a green tea, and a peppermint green tea now. We'll go into that a little bit as well now. Sue likes a cup of tea, but if we're talking adult beverages, Sue likes a nice glass of rosé wine, and I'll go for an IPA or a pint of Adnams, something like that, or a wee dram, of course. One of our Scottish whiskies would be a real treat. And question number 10 is, what's your favourite indoor motorhome accessory? Well, that's a tricky one because we've got lots of gadgets in here, but I think the most useful accessory we bought was probably the cheapest accessory. I think we got them for about £1. But there's these little lights, and I think I've still got one that I can demonstrate to you down here in the kitchen cupboard. So in the kitchen cupboard down here, where is it? There it is. That little light there is literally stuck to the door with a bit of sticky tape, and when you open the door and it's dark, the light comes on. Well, I notice it's been switched off at the moment, but if I was to put that in the on position and it was dark in here, that light would come on. And it really does help you find, you know, stuff in the cupboard even during the day when it's a little bit dull. So that's probably my favourite gadget. It was a bit of a breakthrough. Well, I'm back in the warm again now. That was recorded earlier today, and I got a nice cup of peppermint green tea, believe it or not. It's getting late. It's about 11 PM now, and I'm just finishing editing the footage that I took. It was all over the place today. I couldn't get anything right with the filming today. I hope I've patched it up and it's good enough to watch. I'll just give it a final run through now, and tomorrow morning we're off on a trip to Peterborough. So we'll see you in a few days time, and I'll take the cameras and all the equipment with us, and we'll see you then. Have a very good weekend. Bye bye for now.